Hello guys, it is me, Elijah Michael C here with another episode, and today we're not going to be playing Minecraft. We are actually going to do a short video of the commercial Crunchy Bites and Meaty Tenders. It is a really awesome commercial, so we're going to search now. Scenic Land doing, let's see. Say hi.
No.
That's not hi, that's yes.
No.
Wait, let it load. Let it load. Search here. Try searching there. Oh, there we go. Just took a little while because, you know, Minecraft is open and I'm recording. It's hard. Why isn't that? Is it plugged in? It's not very loud. Hello? Why do I have to be so loud? There we go, when I get closer.
This is today's experience of dry cat food. And now,
just listen.
Pliers, a closer look.
Meow.
So hard and noisy, and yet we know cats don't always like things that are hard and noisy. Indeed, they often enjoy things with a bit more softness. So Friskies includes a very different kibble in its Griller's product,
Ready?
the Meaty Tender.
Ready?
Let's listen in as Tabitha chomps on some of those. Sounds quite different, doesn't it? And again, with the pliers. Remarkable. So, if you think your cat's life shouldn't be so hard, maybe it's time to add some tenderness. Friskies
Ready?
Grillers with Crunchy Bites and Meaty Tenders.
Oh my god. Alright. Well. Really? So, should we end it now?
Meow.
Alright. So,
No.
thanks for watching. Smash that like button and subscribe button if you enjoy. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye.
Meow.
Alright, she said bye. Bye.